everybody doing today? You guys got a new product?
Yep.
Surfactant that works really good, huh?
Try that one out.
Good. Lemon fresh, right?
Lemon flavor.
Lemon flavor.
Where you from?
I'm from Long Island, New York, Amityville.
I couldn't have guessed.
I'm the Amityville horror man. All right, here, Don here. I'm standing out here in front of, you know the place, right? You got to get after it at Ameritech. I got Wesley Ford here. He's a subscriber to the YouTube channel. He asked me where I got the rig, and here he is. Tell us what you think about Ameritech.
Dude, if you guys ever get an opportunity, you want to build something right, you come to Ameritech. These guys take all the time that's necessary to do it right, and we're worth the money, every bit of it. I'm so ecstatic. Wait till you guys see my unit.
Yep, and we're gonna have a good look at it here in a little bit. They're finishing up some stuff in there. Then we'll go ahead and go over it. And this is what inspired Wesley to go ahead and get a new rig.
That's right.
Makes this thing look silly. Wait until you see this thing, and we'll be getting after it here shortly. I'm Don, and that's Wesley.
Get after it.
Here we are at the place, Ameritech Super Blast. This is the rig that inspired this rig. This is the new rig. It's beautiful, huh? Ameritech's the place. What do we do at Ameritech?
Get after it.
Get after it. All right, let's have a close-up. Okay, we got a reclaimed water system back here. This is the Zeta 40P chem spray, all electric reels. These are 10-gallon a minute machines. 31-inch mini Mondu in its carrier. Chem tank, 49-inch Mondu. 2 more chem tanks in the back. This thing is ready to rock. Your go-to place, Ameritech. Well, guys, thank you for everything. And
Hey.
what do we do?
You get after it.
We get after it. Do you get after it?
Always.
What do you do?
Get after it. At home, I
Everybody
get
gets after it. Hey, when he gets home, he gets after it.
after it.
Hey, look at this dude up here. I bet you he even gets after it.
This is Mr. American.
Get after it!